Alright, so for the pig, we have the larynx, which is this big hard structure right here, which is right above the trachea, which is this. You can see the rings on that. And then the esophagus, which is right below that, right there, going all the way down to the stomach. And then we have the heart, which is right here, this giant muscular thing, and the lung. It's that. And there's one on this side too. And then we have the umbilical vein and artery. So here's where the umbilical cord would be. And then coming off of that is the umbilical vein. And the umbilical artery would connect right to there. So this is the umbilical artery. Then we have the bladder, which is right between it. You can see there's nothing in there right now, but it's this hollow space in there. Small intestines, which are all these. There's a ton of them coming right off the stomach. The gallbladder, which got destroyed on this one, so I'll show you on this one. It's right between the liver, right under the liver, that little thing right there. And then we have the pancreas, which is this little thing right here. It's right below the stomach. And then we have the kidney, which there's one on here, and there's one on here. And then here's the spleen. So this is the stomach right here. And right off the side of it, you have the spleen. And then you have the cecum, which is this part of the large intestine right here. Then you have the pericardium, which is right on top of the heart. We cut it open so you can see the heart better, but it's this membrane right here. And then this is a female, so we have the horn of uterus, which is right here. It's these little squiggly things right there. And that is it.